Hello, my name is Samantha Desautel. I'm a junior here at USF Sarasota Manatee. I'm in the accounting program. I do plan to achieve my master's in accounting and then sit for the CPA exam. And this is my Tableau project. When I was able to break down the sales during the seasons of the year, you do notice a large dip here in July. That is followed by a huge upswing here for the fall sale. Here I have gone ahead and broken down the sales into each product, whether it's furniture, office supplies, or technology. It is also broken down on a monthly basis too. You can tell with technology, we're mostly in the green, which means we're nice and profitable. And when we go to office supplies, we see shades of green and a little bit of that more orangey browny green, which shows there's probably a little bit of room for improvement. However, when we highlight down to furniture, we're noticing a significant number of losses, and we're definitely in this yellowy color here. And I further analyzed which product in the furniture category may be causing the losses. The breakdown here, you can tell that bookcases, chairs, and furnishings seem to be doing well. Tables are, again, colored in those losses there. All right, and broken down globally, you can tell the general theme is that our profits are strong. However, certain problem areas do stand out. For instance, this large yellow area in Texas is showing great losses despite a global profitability. Notably, these losses also seem to be highly concentrated in that furniture category as well. In addition to our issues with profitability regarding tables, I thought that shipping cost may be another issue dealing with our profitability. But here you can tell that most of the products that are losing us money actually endure a rather low shipping cost, so that does not seem to be as highly correlated as I initially suggested it may be. Lovely. So all in all, the data does seem to show a general global profitability, less the couple small problem areas such as that area in Texas. Additionally, our sales across our products seem to be generally profitable, with furniture and more specifically the tables showing some rough numbers there. So those would be items to look into going forward. As far as shipping cost, it does not appear to be affecting our profitability much. Just a couple of outliers here and there had exuberant shipping costs, but did not seem to be not profitable there. Thank you very much. This has been my Tableau project, and I'm Samantha Desautel.